The yeas are 220, the nays are 215. The bill is passed.
I don't think in my lifetime we've seen one statute that so erodes liberty as this health care bill. Well, never before has the federal government ordered individual Americans to buy something from other Americans. In this case, American insurance companies, all of course government approved. And that is truly unprecedented. It is an extraordinary extension of power by the federal government. Virginia has its own statute related to health insurance. We passed it on a bipartisan basis this year. We call it the Health Care Freedom Act, and it protects Virginia's citizens from an individual health insurance mandate. Of course, with the Supremacy Clause, Article 6, federal laws typically trump state laws, but not when the federal law is unconstitutional. We understand that we don't just get to direct the federal government as to what they can do and not do. However, we can protect our citizens and be in a position to protect our laws where we represent our citizens, even against the federal government. We view our lawsuit not merely as being about health care. That's actually secondary to the real important aspect of the case, and that is to protect the Constitution as we essentially define the outer limits of federal power here. If we lose, it is very much the end of federalism as we've known it for over 220 years. Needless to say, that's no small matter. We've got our case in Virginia's federal courts. We expect that the Supreme Court will take the case given the significance of it. Whoever loses in the district court will appeal to the Fourth Circuit, which is our Court of Appeals. Whoever loses in the Fourth Circuit will in turn appeal to the Supreme Court, and we are doing what the founders expected states to do. We are a check in the checks and balances system that it was laid out by James Madison, and especially in Federalist 51. 46 and 51 are all worth reading on this subject. We're doing what the founders anticipated states would do in this governing system. I'm going to be in this office to see these cases all the way through, and we are going to see them all the way through.